Okay. Welcome everyone to another live stream. Or another video of the live stream where we will be working on Inércia.org organizing stuff. Inércia.pt. There were some issues with the stream right now. I was losing some packets, but I just sent it to another RTMP ingestion point on the restream and it should be working fine now. So the soundtrack that we're listening to right now is Helium Electromental Collection, a CD that I got from Mr. Dune, Bottom States, quite many years ago. And he just gave it to me because he had extra issues of it back in 2000 and something, probably either 2000 or 2001. And I listened to it quite a while before. Hey, Evil. Yeah, Twitch was fucking up a little bit. I hope it's better now. Well, restream overall was fucking up. Let me see if it's working now. Should be working fine now. But yeah, I was losing packets a while ago. Anyways, to-do list for today. Not quite sure. Pause the Tori and try to figure something out. I think I can listen to this on the speakers and not need this. Look at our to-do list and try to figure out what needs to be done. Music a little bit lower for you guys as well. Should be background sound, not dominating sound. So yeah, graphic identity, we sort of have something already. Well, almost already. Still need to line things up, so I'm probably gonna try to do that today. What's it called? Inércia. So you have this file. I open this. Is it 8080? I hope it is. Okay, we have this. We're missing sound. And we have to center this text. Sound, or I wait for jingle to come in. Either way, I'm gonna center the text and write the first announcement, and then maybe go from there. So let's take a look at the code. In 2005, some people might not get it, and I think that it's actually wrong. Should be like Easter egg, not a main feature.
Artistic ambition.
Okay, now it's back again, but if this is keep gonna happen, we can't really stream today. Try to do a speed test real quick. So my network was shit when I came back from holidays, and then it sort of fixed itself during the night. 120 should be fine. What about the upload? Seems to be fine now. Don't know why it keeps breaking apart. Well, weird. Seems to be fine now. Don't know why it keeps breaking apart. Well, weird. Okay, anyway, let's try this again. And if it fucks up one more time, we'll have to call it a night and just do the work offline. Anyways, text for this needs to be centered as well. So the first thing that we need to announce is that Inércia is happening online. Inércia. Hey Proswell. Basically, I'm doing a live stream preparing stuff for Inércia Demoparty, which is the demo party I organize here in Portugal. So I decided to do every single day. I'm gonna be doing a live stream, working on the event, preparing stuff for the event. Eventually, these live streams will end up becoming seminar/talks related to stuff of the demo scene, creating graphics, music, that kind of stuff, different engines, different tools, and the idea is to rise some hype up to the event, which will the main date of the event will be the 2 and 3 of October. Yeah, so I'm still preparing stuff, like defining what's the live stream schedule for the stuff, who I should be contacting to help give seminars and that kind of stuff. But yeah, these live streams happen every day of me working on it until I can finally get some people to take over from me and have even more interesting content. So right now what I'm doing, I'm working on a page that has an effect that I can use to spam that the event is happening, which looks something like this. Where's the text? It is, but it needs to be centered, and the outline is shit, and what else? I need a proper font. Proper font would be nice. Let's see, where's info text? And if you want to check what's on my to-do list, this is the URL. This is the stuff that I've been working on right now. Piedra. Piedra looks like crap. I'm trying to find info text. I'm gonna center info text first, if I can find it. There it is, info text. Not use Bieda. I wanted to use Neuropol. That's what I really want to use. Because Neuropol is that kind of font that was so much abused in 2000 that Trace, aka Mr. Doob, made like an announcement thread saying that message to the demo scene from Neuropol. I am tired of being abused by you. Please start using other fonts. There are a lot of them out there. So this just makes me want to use Neuropol even more. So yeah, top 100%, white 100% should be enough. Text align center. This should be enough to have the stuff center the text. Let's see if it shows up. Well, I need Neuropol installed, obviously, but it should default to something else, no? It doesn't even complain that the font is missing? Wow, that's interesting. Wow. What if I put like Arial next? Will it show something? What? No text at all? Ugh. I lost display of text. Top 10%. It's fine. Should be fine. I don't quite understand what happened to it. Should be there, but it suddenly became invisible. Well, now it's really invisible. It's being animated, but that's not the reason why it's not showing. Let me try to put just Arial by default. Do we even have Arial by default? Things like this that you put alternatives, isn't it? Don't remember anymore. Yeah, invisible text, that's the best Easter egg. For real. I need to have a margin, maybe. Oh, I think I need to have either left or right for it to show up. I'm going to like 20% and then put the white at 80%. I think this should be it. I did Shift T instead of R. There we go. That's a bit better. It's not centered properly. Probably because of this. No, it's just not centered properly. Because I'm doing already centered by default, so I don't need the left. I can put this at 0 and 100. That should be fine. What else do I need? I need to change that A thing because it's gray. It looks horrible. Color link. Should it still be white? Whitish? Yellow? Orange. Orange should look horrible. Let's try it. That's not so bad. It's just unreadable. Not bad. I also need some sort of outline. How do I do outlines on fonts? I don't remember. Outlines, CSS. But I want... Yeah, but this is for the element. I want for the font. Font, outline, CSS, stroke. I guess. Let's try that. This WebKit only though. It's probably WebKit only. Only some browsers. I hate these people that do like examples of stuff that doesn't work everywhere. Can't you just put the code where it works everywhere so we don't have to read all the fucking text? Oh, this looks okay. Will it work on something else though? Let me check. Do I have Firefox installed? Yes, I do. Although Firefox is based on Chromium, I think, so it should just work. Yeah, it's working fine. What about IE? Oh, fuck off. Not what you want. This one looks okay though. It's using text shadow. Okay, let's try that. Where do I want that? On info text only. Bam. Color is already white. I don't need to repeat it. Sure, whatever. Let's just test, see if it works. Looks kind of okay. Needs to be bigger, thicker font, but other than that, looks alright. Let's do 2.6 and let's find the font that it's decent. Google fonts. Do we really want to go for Neuropol? I don't think we want to go for Neuropol. I usually just use Roboto when I don't know what to use. Ubuntu is pretty decent as well, or readable, high-tech-ish, and high-tech sort of font would be nice. I want to go Neuropol. I want to go Neuropol just to take a look at how it looks. Neuropol Nova. It spawned children. Let's try it. Let's try it. Nova or Nova regular. I don't know the difference. It looks the same to me. Anything but Comic Sans? Yeah, no Comic Sans. That's for real. Hey Jar there, welcome to the live stream. Is it just this? Oh, do I have to buy it? That's not so nice. I refuse to pay money for fonts. What? 106 euros for a font that is right here. These guys are crazy. Crazy, I tell ya. Okay, fuck that. Neuropol font download. One of these should have the font for free. This is the old school Neuropol. This is also the old school Neuropol. And this is the crap that we were watching. Sure, whatever. Okay, download from one of these. Free for commercial use, that's what we want. TDF, now I have to figure out how to put a TDF inside the CSS. Should be easy, but never is. Documents, downloads. Font. Is the readme anything useful? I bet it's not. Ugh. I bet it's crap. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Why don't they have the text here to include the font in your stuff? That would be something useful. That would be something useful. Copy. Do we want to have a fonts folder? Just dump it here. Well, the other font is here, so I guess it makes sense that this one is here as well. Okay, now we need CSS to open up a font. CSS, load, TDF, font. Neuropol, and I only want the TTF, and of course I still need the source, so I want to delete this, and then that. I think this is okay. And I hope it works on all the other browsers, not just that. Let's try. It's missing the URL, no? Yeah, it just says web font. It needs a proper Neuropol TTF. There we go. All its glory. Hard to read. Too wide for it to be readable. But I can break it down into several smaller places. Or just have bigger line separation. And fill up the entire screen. That might be good. This thing highlight seems to be too highlighted. Don't know how to tone it down a little bit. Feels like the A is like extra size by some reason, not the normal size. Like the T and the T, it looks bigger. Because it's white with orange outline. No, the white is because I'm highlighting it, okay. But it seems bigger than the rest. So I need to try to fix that as well. Font size. What's the separation between? Search for it. CSS, font, line, space, line height. Examples. I guess. Yeah, let's try line height and see what happens. Line height 2.6. Let's go crazy. Crazy, I tell ya. That might be a little bit too much. This one is bigger than it should. I mean, the line spacing is not that bad. I think I need to reduce because it's EM, so it's related to the other one. So I have to actually put it like 0.9 or something, so it's slightly lower, I think. Yeah, okay. That looks much better. Full screen. If the F11 would disappear. Ah, that looks pretty decent. I can take a screenshot of this. Print screen. Bam. Okay, we have an announcement page. Maybe I should remove this dot, because dot at the end of a URL is a bit stupid. .pt. Still, I'm also not very confident with the color of the link being orange. Maybe we should try something else. Like, I don't know, purple maybe? Let's try purple or cyan or something like that. Purple. And remove the dot. No purple? You like the orange? What do the other people say? Jared, Alien, what do you think about the color of the link? Ugh. Yeah, that's a bit bad. What about cyan? Does cyan exist as a color on CSS? Or do I have to define it? Let's test. Oh, it does. It's not that bad. Because I was trying to avoid orange because the theme of last year's webpage was already a bit orangish. So I don't know. I like this one. I like cyan. Cyan looks okay-ish. Maybe the text slightly down, like the start of it. Or maybe break Inércia 2020 and then another line and we have 5 lines overall. It might be better. I'm not a graphic designer. I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just putting information on the screen so I can take a screenshot and spam it. So... long were the days where we had graphic designers doing stuff for Inércia. Oh, those glory days. I don't have a link for the preparation stream. Another word for preparation streams, because preparation streams feels like it's very lengthy. Maybe daily streams leading up to the event. Don't know how to phrase that. Daily live streams. Making of. The thing is that I want to transform these daily live streams into the seminars already, so they would sort of stop being the making of and would start being the content itself, and I would want to have some sort of smooth transition between that. But saying that it's a daily live stream and then, you know, if they show up and just see me talking about Inércia, they might not get the whole point behind the thing and think that it's just this, while we're actually working on this to promote the big stuff that is happening on the 3rd of October. But yeah, making of, I guess, or build up live stream. Making of, I guess making of makes more sense. Making of live stream. Making of daily live stream. Okay, and here I put the link. To Twitch. And what do I say here? Not just demoscene competitions, main compo. I feel like it's saying demoscene too many times. Organizing. I have this line here because I want to make sure that people understand that we are an online event now and not happening physically. But at the same time, it feels like it's too much information. Might get confusing. How about this? Inércia Demoparty online. Daily making of live streams. Can also cut that part and put the link here. This might focus things a little bit more. Not sure, let's test. The thing is, if I take a screenshot of this, people don't know, people can't click the URL, so it's better to have the URLs. Online edition sounds like a good idea, so I agree with that. Let's try that. And I'm gonna remove these links and I'm gonna go back to what it was. Online edition. I can even do like this. Just align with the link. And same thing for this. Daily making of live streams, 2 official combos, 2 free. And then a link to the Twitch. Do I even need the Twitch? Isn't it just okay to have just the Inércia link? Maybe just this. See how it looks. Close, 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 close. Don't need all of this crap anymore. Here we go. Refresh. Start. Yeah, that looks clean. maybe put like a line separator so it starts a bit lower, but other than that, I think it looks pretty cool. Inércia has the Twitch link. Yeah, the webpage has the Twitch link. It's here, right here, Twitch. At some point I need to put like a full regular stream here. A schedule. I'm not sure how. Maybe a table of some sort saying the day and what happens every day. So you have making of live stream, and then when we finally get the seminars, I include them there as well, which one is which, and then we have the final dates, the 2 of October and 3 of October, with a bit more highlight. Making of words should start with capital letters. Well, official compose also has a capital C, so I guess. Extra line. Live stream as well, I guess. And time while we're at it. Does that look okay? Now the question shows, are we GMT +1 or GMT -1? Not entirely sure with the CN color. Maybe I should just leave it white since it's already underlined, so people know it's a link. What was the other thing that I wanted to change? Text is gone. Oh, the GMT, that's what I want. Oh, now it's too bright. What the fuck? So yeah, we are currently GMT +1. Okay, that's okay. I don't know when the time will change again though. I hope it's not before October, otherwise it could be start getting confusing. Should be fine. I think it's fine. Do we like this white? Isn't it too white for the Inércia.pt? Should I try gray? It was originally gray. Looks bold. Yeah, looks bold indeed. Why is it bold though? How do I make it unbold on the A? Font something. Font height. Font. It's font something. Remove bold on font CSS. That's not the way you do it now. Font weight, that's it. Let's try font weight normal there, see if it looks better. The wrong page. Wrong page. Still has the icon of the pancakes. I need to change the icon. Doesn't really matter right now because I'm just gonna take a screenshot. Still bold, isn't it? Interesting. But I can live with this. I mean, it sort of highlights. It's a bit harder to read though, especially the I. Not sure what to fix it. Let's try figuring out what we can remove. CSS, remove a styling. Don't want to remove all styling. I want to keep the underground. But I can do. This might be easier to edit and check what it's doing. No, it's gone. To be fast. Font. Yeah, so it's not text decoration, it's something else. Font white. Is there other options than for font white? Lighter. Doesn't even change. So it's ignoring font white. Is that what you're telling me? Oh, let me edit this, please. Huh. Links aren't supposed to be bold by default, I think. And if I change the font white, it's definitely not supposed to be bold. Nothing. What other font stuff is there? Font variant. Ooh. Oh, I'm changing font family. Font size.
Incoming file transfer.
This fade out is really annoying. I guess I should prolong it a little bit more. I think it works. I mean, people can read it. If they can read it, they can click it. If they can click it, they can come to Inércia Demoparty 2020. Okay. Screenshot. Bam. 11. Control V. Sure. Now I need to select the right canvas, which is just this one. How do I do that? There should be a tool here for that. Rectangle tool. Ugh. Does it need to be a perfect canvas? Edit. There's no crop? Oh my god. There's no crop. Copy selection. File, new. I copied the selection. Oh my god. Edit. Paste into new image. Copy merged maybe. Paste into new image. Thank you. Okay, let's resize this. What's that? What's that? I cropped some stuff that I shouldn't. Okay, let's get rid of that first. Isn't there like an image canvas size? Let's cut a few pixels on the top, like the height, just 2 pixels, I guess, less, and focus here should be okay. What? Come on. Okay, it cut. Now I'm gonna resize it a little bit just to have the standard size. Which probably gonna fuck up some pixels, but well. Okay, perfect. Looks okay. Don't see any fuck ups. Save as. So, what am I gonna call this? I'm gonna call this. Put this here. I'm gonna call this announcement 1. Sure, whatever. And I'm gonna copy also a JPEG version of that because people rather have JPEGs. It's proper place, I think. 90 is usually fine. Okay, close this crap. On save. Don't need this, don't need this, don't need this. Let's take a look at what we have. It's not here. Can delete this already. Neuropol, you had your use. Announcement. Looks okay. Looks okay-ish. We can spam this, can't we? Okay, so I'm gonna spam this on a few places. That's task number 1 for now. What else do we need to do? Let's edit the to-do list. Oh, crop is in image. Okay, that's good to know. So we have the graphic identity. So check. Different announcement pages. Need one for the online event, which is one we just did. Check. The other one announcing graphics compose, music compose, wild compose, or what was it called officially? Music, yeah, wild competitions, then intro competitions, and demo. Other stuff that we will have to announce is deadlines should probably be on the compos themselves. Seminars, and I guess we can do like one for each seminar that we get announced. The moment we know the seminar, I can do that text saying when it will be. and announce it as they come, like a day before or something like that. That might work out. Seminars, who, when, and then the Shader Royale, which is still to be defined or to be confirmed. I need to talk with people for the Shader Royale, so that's another list of people that I need to do. Right, people for Shader Royale. So usual culprits: YX, Ferris, Alcama, Philippine, LJ, Newson, Evil, Monsieur Soleil, Provod, Writer, Blackhole, and Alia, which is the artist formerly known as So Nice. Not sure if she's willing to compete on this or not, but can't hurt asking. Who else? Blueberry also used to do some shader stuff. Coupe. I can ask Garguy, though he's probably gonna say no. I can ask IQ. I can ask KB. That's all I can think of. But there's plenty of people already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's a lot. Probably half of these will not be able to do it for one reason or another. And I do plan to have it like open to whoever wants to, have a go at it. One person that I forgot here on the previous list for the seminars, and I'm recalling now, was Paulo Falcão, to talk about shader material, I guess. Because I was thinking if I should invite him for the Shader Royale as well. I think he's gonna refuse, but I can invite him anyways. And Alien, if you want to participate, you're also welcome to do it. It wasn't really his tool. He was using someone else's tool, but improving on it somehow. But yeah, I think he felt very enthusiastic about it, so I think he will probably want to give a little workshop about that, so that it's worth asking. Trying to think of who else usually does shader stuff. I think we're done for now. Okay, Shader Royale should be on the 2nd of October. Also have to confirm with Lou Goober that he's okay with doing soundtrack for that. Confirm with Lou Goober for soundtrack. And I'm assuming it's gonna be a Lou Goober because he always does a live set on the Friday night. And this 2nd of October will be a Friday night. So yeah. There's a type in your Twitter link on the Twitch page. Is there really? Is there? Ugh. I just want to go to my Twitch page, yo. Channel. Twitter. It's correct. What are you talking about? On the banner, it says Twitter. The topmost. I don't have anything saying Twitter on the topmost. Below the video. Sorry, you're gonna have to take a screenshot and show it to me, because it looks okay to me. Beside your image. Oh, here. Ah, I see. I see. Yes, it is wrong. I see. Thank you for pointing it out. Not sure where to fix this. Is it on edit? It's not on edit, so it's probably profile or something. So let's get lost in the wonderful realm of Twitch, where you will never be able to escape from ever again. Social links. Could this be it? Yes, it is. Lovely. Lovely. Thank you very much, Alien. Okay, so this is just spamming these people, asking them if they're interested. If not, they're not interested. This is exclusively for the 2nd of October, and this is for between function and Inércia. Actually, it can even be before function. I mean, function is only gonna be that weekend. Function is 18th to 20th of September, and then we only have 12 days. So that's not gonna be enough time. Even if we have one seminar a day, that would be, for the idea that I have in mind, it wouldn't be enough. So I think it would make sense if we start asking now already and let people know that it's part of the build-up for Inércia somehow. And just whenever people either deliver a video with the content and I can include it that day, or whenever they are available to do the thing live. So I guess I'm just going to start contacting people and seeing if they're interested or not in doing this, in whatever schedule they want. Well, it needs to be at 9 o'clock to keep up the same daily live stream thing, and I'll try to host it. If I can't host it on the twitch.com PS enough, that's fine. I'll do a recording and just upload it. I just want to make sure that I have a playlist with all the Inércia 2020 stuff later on. I don't really care that much if it's everything on my channel, so it's fine. I can always host it somehow, like /host, or I just really want to have the videos in the end with all the stuff, so it doesn't get lost, gets archived, everything together. So yeah, I think that's it for today. We did the first screenshot. We have to start spamming that in every single place, and I'm gonna start asking some people for seminars whenever they feel like they have an opening that they would like to deliver something. The sooner the better, so it doesn't get crowded. So yeah, thank you everybody for joining in today. I know it was shorter than usual. We also had some technical issues earlier on, and keep that feedback coming, and see you again tomorrow.